In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Hootsuite to bulk schedule your social media posts, making your social media management seamless and effective. First, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you enjoy using. Navigate to hootsuite.com and log into your account. Now, once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. From here, you'll need to locate either the publisher or the planner option from the menu. These are your go-to tools for managing and scheduling posts. Click on the one you see. After selecting publisher or planner, the next step is to look for the bulk composer or bulk upload option. This is a powerful feature that allows you to schedule numerous posts simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Click on this to begin the process. Before we move forward on the website, let's prepare a CSV file which Hootsuite uses to gather all your content in one efficient upload. This file needs a few specific columns. Firstly, include the date and time for scheduling your posts. Ensure they are correctly formatted. Check the standards Hootsuite requires if you're uncertain. Then, fill in your message or caption text. This is the core content of your posts. If your posts have links or images, create a column with URL links or image URLs. Lastly, don't forget to specify the social profile you want each post to go to. This ensures your posts are delivered to the right place. Once your CSV file is well prepared and thorough, go back to Hootsuite. It's time to upload your file. You can do this by either clicking Upload File, or if you prefer, just drag your file into the designated upload area on the Hootsuite page. The platform will take a moment to process your file, but pretty soon you'll see a preview of your scheduled posts right there on the screen. Now, with everything in place, this is a great opportunity to review your posts carefully. Look for any errors or necessary adjustments, perhaps a typo in your caption, or the date and time might need a tweak. Make sure all your content is perfect and ready to go. When you're satisfied with your review, it's time to finalize the scheduling. You'll either click Schedule All or Confirm, depending on what the button says. Both serve the purpose of pushing your schedule live, and just like that, your posts are now queued up, strategically set to go live according to the dates and times you've specified in your CSV file. Congratulations on streamlining your social media management workflow with this bulk scheduling method on Hootsuite. Keep your online presence active and organized with minimal hassle. Stay tuned for more insightful tips.